Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to sail to a windward destination with good speed and power. Here we are sailing to this cove, and the first thing we want to do is find an object or lay out a virtual waypoint on shore dead ahead of the boat. Here we found a spire, and we draw a desired track line represented by the bold black line toward the spire. On each side of that track line, draw a cone as shown. Now, the boundaries of your cone depends on the proximity of dangers or obstructions inside the cone area. So you want everything inside the cone to be free of wrecks, rocks, reefs, and obstructions. Also study the chart outside of the cone area to make sure that if you go across the cone boundary, you won't go aground or hit a wreck, rock, reef, or obstruction. Start out on the longest leg that keeps you closest to the desired track line and your destination. Here we start out on port tack. At position number 2, the wind shifts toward the bow called a header, and we tack right away to stay close to the track line and keep moving toward our destination. At position number 3, the wind again shifts toward the bow as a header, so we tack again to keep moving toward our destination. Now you know the easy steps to lay out a tacking cone with boundaries and to sail to a windward destination with good speed and power. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.